So it's a really, really boring night. We have nothing to do. So I thought of something. Taylor's never seen the Works bombs or a toilet bowl cleaner in aluminum foil. So we're going to teach you how to do it. Just remember to be safe. And don't be stupid with this because it can be pretty dangerous. Alright, so we're going to teach you how to do it. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Basically what you need is a bottle, some toilet bowl cleaner. We usually use the Works, it's the best kind, but we had to get like this stuff, they were out. And then you need aluminum foil, just regular stuff. So what you do is just kind of get a piece, kind of break it, crumple it up, put it in the bottle. You just need to fill up basically the bottom. You don't need to be too high or anything, just kind of make a little bunch at the bottom. And then when you're ready, pour it in, put the cap on, let it sit for a minute, and just wait.
Bada boom.
For the explosion. That's basically it. And we'll show you in a second. So basically, we got all the bottles set up right here. We just got to put the toilet bowl cleaner in there and ready for an explosion. Just remember, don't try this at home. You could get hurt. It can be dangerous. So see if this works. I hope it does.
I'm scared. I'll be so mad if it doesn't. Do you think it's gonna work? It's not gonna work.
I think the stuff's too thick. I think it works, man. How far does it like blow up? Like, wouldn't you right there? I don't think so. Nah.
Hey.
How you doing? You got your driver's license registration?
I don't. It's actually at my apartment, right up here on Kenner Corner. We were just going out there looking at the stars, basically.
Got the real stuff this time that works.
Oh!
Yeah, I think if you pour a little more in there, it's a lot of things. Is that top on tight on that?
Oh shit!
That's how loud it's supposed to be.
That was... I'm scared.
So if you want to do it right, and you want to get the bombs to work, well, you got to use the Works. That's all there is to it.